you don't know the number of the train.
Train number கேக்குறான்.
சும்மா பேசுறதுக்கு தான் வந்தானா.
You
ஹெல்ப் பண்றவங்களுக்கு என்ன ட்ரெயின் சொல்லுங்க.
I think the train number I don't really remember.
when
Let me check.
when do you listen to ring, it have the name of the train. If you're not sure that's your train, you can ask some people stand up at the door
Okay.
Sure, we'll do that.
with
Thanks
the
for your
uniform,
guidance.
with the blue uniform.
SC3.
SE3 is the first train.
Wow, thank you.
அவங்க எதுக்கு வந்தா வீடு எங்க இருக்கு?
You are from Ninbin, right?
Yeah, I'm from Ningbi.
So you're waiting for someone or you're traveling?
I live in here and I'm going to here for just practice my English.
Okay. So you're doing here in railway station? You're doing some project?
Sorry?
You are here in the station doing some project or
Oh, I'm not understand. Sorry.
you are here in the train station waiting for someone?
No, for practice my English.
Okay.
Not waiting for the
Someone.
train.
Oh, okay. Had your dinner?
Sorry?
Had your dinner? Your
Dinner.
Oh no,
Alright, why? It's too late already.
not dinner. When I was half dinner.
Half dinner.
I was half dinner last 2 hours.
Oh, great. Which class you are studying?
Sorry?
Which standard you are studying? Which grade you are studying?
Yeah.
Yeah. School. Which grade?
Oh, I'm in grade 4.
Grade 4. That's great, nice. You are so bold in small age.
Sorry.
You are bold in small age, so you are
Yeah.
awesome. Good, keep it up. It
Sorry.
rocks your life.
I'm learned a lot at school, and it's too hard better at math
Okay.
because the question was very hard. And English at school is easy because we learn about the it's like for the children in grade 2.
Oh. You are awesome, super good you are.
Not really.
You are. Definitely you are.
Thank you. Your English is better than me.
Time will come for you to be super strong and super better.
So what is the job right now?
I'm working in Google as a manufacturing. So I'm working in the Google Pixel watches.
That's a hard work.
It's can say it's hard work. With depends on physical and mental.
When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player.
Software,
Soccer player.
soccer
Football.
player.
Yeah. But it's too hard because I play just in goalkeeper and I was short. I am not told for play in the goalkeeper.
Get in practice. So you do your practice, you will be awesome one day.
One day.
Yeah.
Because goalkeeper is a hard anti-conditional.
It's all mind game.
Sorry?
Being a goalkeeper, it's all mind game.
Oh.
Practice it, otherwise you will be super goalkeeper in future.
So what sport do you like?
Indians always cricket.
So, and thank you for listening.
Awesome.
Bye. Nice
It's my
to meet you.
pleasure to meet you, man. You are awesome.